As Trinamool Congress announces its list, we are also getting details from the BJP camp. Now, sources within the BJP has spoken to Mithun Chakrabarti. The leadership, in fact, has got in touch with Mithun Chakrabarti. Speculation of Mithun now joining BJP gains steam. We are also picking up perhaps Mithun Chakrabarti would be sharing the stage along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who would be in Bengal on 7th of March, where the rally at Brigade Ground is likely to take place. He could perhaps be part of that very rally. Remember, earlier, Mithun Chakrabarti actually met the RSS chief and thereafter also spoke to the media saying that he's known the RSS chief for a very long time, but no word really whether at all he is going to join Mithun Chakrabarti, he's going to join the BJP. Listen in to some of the reactions now coming in.
मिथुन चक्रवर्ती दादा आए तो अच्छा ही होगा, बंगाल के लिए भी अच्छा होगा, हमारे पार्टी के लिए भी अच्छा होगा और प्रधानमंत्री के मंच पर आते हैं तो बंगाल की जनता और खुशी होगी। मिथुन चक्रवर्ती
Well, joining us on this broadcast is my colleague Piyush, getting us the latest. Piyush, what are you picking up from your sources within the BJP camp? Are we to expect that perhaps Mithun Chakrabarti would be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party?
Well, yes, Shravan, BJP is very much positive about the fact that if Mithun Chakrabarti joins the party, then it will be helping them. But what we are also given to understand is that on 7th of March, when PM Modi will be holding his rally in Kolkata, there Mithun Chakrabarti is likely to be there at the stage and will join BJP. But these are only speculations which we are getting as of now. There is no official word coming in from BJP. Everything will be decided only and only on 7th of March when Mithun Chakrabarti is seen there on the stage. On the other side, we have seen how entire day a massive political development has taken place in West Bengal, where Mamata Banerjee has now announced around 291 candidates of TMC from all these 291 seats. She will be contesting herself from Nandigram. As far as Mithun Chakrabarti is joining is concerned, remember that Shravan, there was a meeting also which took place between RSS chief and Mithun Chakrabarti a couple of days back, and after that particular meeting, Mithun Chakrabarti had pointed out the fact that he is not joining BJP. Moreover, he knows RSS chief for a long period of time, and it was just a courtesy call. But now what we are told is that he might join BJP on 7th of March. We'll have to wait and watch as to what happens on that day when PM Modi holds a rally in Kolkata. Though the preparations are going on, massive preparations are going on in West Bengal. Top BJP leaders who were till yesterday were in Delhi. They were part of the core committee which took place at the residence of JP Nadda, and in that particular meet, Union Home Minister Amit Shah was also present. Now they have left from Delhi for West Bengal. Babul Supriyo, cabinet minister, he was in Delhi till today also. He has left a couple of hours back for West Bengal. So if the now focus is completely only on West Bengal as far as BJP is concerned. Remember that yesterday CEC also took place, and that particular CEC, it was also decided who will be contesting from which place. But as of now, BJP has not released its list. It will be very interesting to see who will be contesting against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee from Nandigram. Though there are some leaders of BJP who have said that Shivendra Adhikari has expressed his views of fighting against Mamata Banerjee. We'll have to wait and watch what happens. On 7th of March when Mithun Chakrabarti reaches there, and B, who will be the candidate against CM Mamata Banerjee from Nandigram.
Right. Well, all eyes certainly on whether at all Mithun Chakrabarti would be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party or not. But if there is any official word that has really come in, that's from one of the BJP parliamentarians who says that they would certainly welcome Mithun Chakrabarti to the BJP fold. Listen in to what BJP's parliamentarian Arjun Singh had to say.
मिथुन चक्रवर्ती दादा आए तो अच्छा ही होगा, बंगाल के लिए भी अच्छा होगा, हमारे पार्टी के लिए भी अच्छा होगा और प्रधानमंत्री के मंच पर आते हैं तो बंगाल की जनता और खुशी होगी।